Showing formula in a worksheet rather than the end result of a formula can be useful for auditing data, determining how formula was written, and understanding where numbers are coming from. You can toggle the view between formula and non-formula view mode by using the Ctrl plus Tilde button. The Tilde button is normally a squiggly line and it's located to the left, most frequently to the number 1 on your keyboard. You may have hit this in the past by accident and wondered why the Excel sheet showed formulas. Now you know that this view exists and you can toggle it on and off. For example, in the January 2020 tab, if we turn on the formula view mode, we can see that column J has formula written. Another way to view formula located in a specific cell is to use the F2 button. If you click on a cell and hit F2, it'll open up the formula associated with that cell. I use this shortcut all the time when I'm writing formula. For instance, let's navigate to cell J2. Let's assume that we want to edit this formula to add a foreign exchange conversion ratio of 1.3 because it's in US dollars and we want to convert it to Canadian dollars. All we need to do to edit the formula is click on the cell and then hit F2, which will open the formula, and we can begin to modify it by adding brackets around the existing formula in the cell and multiplying it by 1.3.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.